All right, everyone, I give you the Scott family Christmas. 3, 2, 1. Amanda, it's Christmas.
Well, it's Christmas time.
So we've been talking about forever this time of year that we would be decorating our house for Christmas. Honestly, that's one of the most exciting things we've been looking forward to.
They were framing our house and we were saying, oh, at Christmas time, it'll be so pretty when we do this. So it's been a long time coming. Pause it. Is that stuff in YouTube?
Well, fortunately, I know this guy. You might know him too. Well, see, everyone seems to know him.
How's it going?
This is Justin, and he's like a lighting pro. So when we were building this house, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, we gotta find someone that could just do this right. Because I don't know if you guys can see that roof up there, but I don't want to die. And Justin knows how to get on roofs. And
actually, my brother Ty gets on the roof. I tell Ty, hey, get up there, and he does it.
Ty, are you the one that gets on the roof?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going all out. We thought it'd be so fun this year just to put lights in places I never could imagine doing.
We went back and forth on what our inspiration should be. We looked at so many different things, but I kept coming back to the fact that growing up, we had red and white Christmas lights on my house. And I think it's so cute. I really like multicolored lights, but that just didn't feel quite right for our house. So I'm so excited. It's gonna be a little bit nostalgic like my childhood.
And I should probably mention that it's Dixie Christmas Lights. These guys are the lighting pros, and I am so thrilled that Justin was up for the job of standing on a roof and putting, well, not Justin, I guess Ty's got to do that. Everyone comment below, Ty, you're the man. Now, Ty, I hope you don't mind. I am gonna fly a drone up there when you're at the very top. Yeah. I may hit you, but I'm sure you know the rolling techniques from watching American Ninja Warrior. I'm sure you've done this 1,000 times. Tuck and roll.
Tuck and roll.
You don't want to belly flop onto the ground. It never works. All right, so let's try to tell them the plan of action.
So the roof line is all going to be in red and white lights. Red, red, white. We've had a couple people tell us that's the perfect ratio.
Yeah, we were trying to decide if we should go 2 red, 1 white. Big decisions to make, right? We ended up going with 2 red, 1 white.
You just said the same thing twice.
Oh, wait. 2 whites, 1 red. But forget it. We're going 2 reds, 1 white, okay?
So up to the door is going to be alternating red and white. And then our bigger bushes are going to be white lights. And then around the windows, it'll be the red, red, white pattern also.
Yeah, so each of these windows, they're gonna, am I allowed to tell them your technique? So around the windows, they're gonna use a technique that they won't allow us. Justin, come on.
Justin.
Got a secret how he gets them to stay in the windows, and we can't tell you.
We can tell you. Should we tell him, Ty? The trade secret's really simple.
Okay. Can you believe that's what he's doing? That is like a multi-billion-dollar idea. That's awesome, guys. Thanks for sharing with all of our followers.
So, and then we're gonna have wreaths on all the windows. 5 wreaths down on these bottom windows and 3 wreaths up top, and of course a wreath on the front door.
So yeah, we'll have a wreath right here, 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 and there. And then another one on our door. That's a lot of wreaths.
Holly jolly Christmas.
We do still have our Halloween stuff right here, but that is going to leave.
Yeah, it is. So on our front door, we'll have a wreath, and then we have a ton of pretty garland that's going to be draped across this entry.
So garland that will go like this, like the McDonald's arches, but backwards, right? Dude, you had the worst job. You have to fish that all the way up there.
Yeah, you guys have a steep roof though. This is a steep, what is that, 12-12?
14-12.
14-12?
Yeah.
Oh, and slick tile, like the worst combination.
Yeah, so that is the game plan. Here it goes.
I'm so excited. I am prepping our wreaths to be hung outside. So cute. We got these at Hobby Lobby. Absolutely fell in love with the juniper leaves on them and the holly. So I'm going to make some quick wreath bows before they hang these. My favorite kind of bows are just simple with really long tails. So that's what I'm gonna do. I think this is gonna be cute. So now my question is, what placement of the bow do you like better? Towards the top corner like this, or something that I think is super festive and kind of like more classic down in the middle like that. I've got these all laid out here in my messy craft room. I decided to put them on the bottom. I think it's gonna look so cute and classic. So we are getting everything ready for the front of our house. As those guys have been out there working, they were like, how cool would it be to have 5-foot wreaths on your house? We ran to Lowe's and got 5-foot wreaths. Let me show you. I still need to cut tags off of this guy, but you can see it's pretty plain by itself. So because we have so much red going on and lots of holly berries inside, decided to put some holly berries on it. So I've got this first one done. Pretty happy with it. I'm trying to see if there's like missing spots. Spacing always bugs me with stuff like this. So just to give you an idea of how I'm doing this, I've got 3 of these holly berry bushes from Michael's, and I'm just cutting them up and wiring them on to the wreath.
I think originally we talked about being here like for 1 day, and it's turned into like 3, so it's a little bit more than we thought.
Oh yeah, quite the project.
Big project, and it's turned out awesome. We'll show you here in just a minute, but Ty's doing the final thing, which is just lighting the wreath on the store. The rest is just us, Amanda. It's just getting everything else here.
The last touches we're doing are these LED lanterns along our walkway up to the house.
Okay, so we have 8 lanterns. We're thinking 4 on each side, of course. When all is done, we'll have 4 over here and 4 over here. Let's do it.
We don't
really do that. I think it looks good.
Yeah, I think they turned out really cute. The spacing turned out good. We planned them a lot closer together, but I think this is a good call. Getting these up now though, I think every one of them needs a red bow on them. That'll just add another pop and just tie in with the other bows we've got on the house.
Are you being a good helper? I don't think he is he?
So excited. We think everything is finally done out here.
I think we're ready to invite everyone over.
Yep, let's get them all over here and we'll light this puppy up.
Hey guys, we are so excited for our grand lighting up the house-a-thon. What do you want to call it?
Christmas lighting extravaganza.
I couldn't think of the words. But nothing makes a new lighting reveal of your home more spectacular than having your friends and family join you. Right there.
I thought we were all going to yell.
If you know who this is right here, this is my father-in-law, by the way. This is Jason.
Mighty fine house you got here, Clark.
If you can guess who he is just based off from the shoes alone, you will get a thumbs up in the comments. Hey guys, thanks for coming. Let's go check out the lights. Let's go. Whoa. All right, everyone, I give you the Scott family Christmas. 3, 2, 1.
Did you check all the lights, every bulb?
They're just LEDs. You don't need to check all the lights.
These lights turned out so fun. We added extra wreaths and lanterns up the walkway, but we love that it looks beautiful in the day and at night. Our friends at Dixie Christmas Lights did a beautiful job. If you haven't done so already, be sure to check out our other Christmas videos and come find us on Instagram at Great Scots.